replacing a sway bar linkage on my 99 Chrysler Concorde. Car's got about 75,000 miles, and when I was replacing the strut, I noticed that the ball on the bottom side was loose in its socket, and it was making noises. So the top is fine, but the bottom's no good. And when I usually replace these, I usually replace one on one. I replace them in pairs. I had this one was pretty easy. I got this one off with a impact. This one here, it was really hard to get off. I really had to hammer away on this, but I got it off. So it's all loose already. This way I don't have to eat up video time. Now I'm going to replace it with a Moog link, and these come with grease fittings. On the grease fittings, you gotta be real careful. There's no threads in here, so when you put it in, it self-taps. So you gotta be real careful so you don't, because these grease fittings will strip real easy. You don't have to torque them down hard at all. They'll just strip out. I've had to buy a bag of just grease fittings because I've stripped out a few of these. Now this one is a little different. I usually measure them to make sure it's the right size, and as you can see, it's the right size. This one has a little cut in it. It's cut into an octagon. Looks like an octagon. Anyway, and you can put a wrench on it to loosen the nut. This way it holds the bolt in. This one, the new one, it don't have that cut on the end. It's got a nut on the inside. This one I'm going to have to put on with a wrench because I can't reach it with my impact. This one, I'm just going to put it on with my impact. And that's it. Now, when I make a right and left turn, the car won't, the front end won't dip. It'll pull both sides down at the same time, and it'll make a nice turn when you're turning. If these ever break, you won't be in no danger, but when you make turns, it'll be like a boat rocking back and forth. And I'm sure it'll make some noise because it'll be bouncing around there. And that's it. I hope that helps.